Let's look at story problem number 1. A pizza shop uses ½ ounce of pepperoni for every fourth of a large pizza. What is the constant of proportionality expressed in ounces per pizza? Remember, constant of proportionality is just another name for unit rate. So we're being asked to find the unit rate. Another clue that we're being asked about rate is when we have something that says like blank per blank. So like this per right here is a big clue that we're being asked about unit rate. Now let's go ahead and set up our division, because to find unit rate we need to divide. To figure out what goes in the numerator and what goes in the denominator, just look at the ounces per pizza. Whatever comes first goes in the numerator. So we'll record ounces in the numerator, and whatever comes after the per, which in this case is pizza, goes in the denominator. Sometimes they won't have the ounces per pizza in the question, but they'll have it in the answer. So that's something you can also use to help you is the answers. Now let's find the number of ounces in this problem. I see ½ ounce of pepperoni, so I put that with the ounces, ½ ounce, and then I see a fourth of a large pizza, so I put the 1/4 in the denominator. We have a complex fraction here, because we have a fraction that contains a fraction. So step 1 in solving a complex fraction is to make sure both the numerator and the denominator are fractions, which they already are. Next, we change out the fraction bar for a division symbol. Remember to put the numerator first and the denominator second. Now we're ready to apply the keep change reciprocal method to change this division to multiplication. So we always keep the first fraction. We change the division to multiplication, and then we record the reciprocal of 1/4. Then, now that we're multiplying fractions, just multiply like you normally would. So with fractions, we would normally just multiply the numerators together, and then we would multiply the denominators together. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So that would be 2 ounces per pizza. And that would be answer choice letter D. Now, as you're doing your work today, you're going to be writing in your paper pencil notebook. So I want you to put your work that I showed here in your paper pencil notebook. But on the Go Formative, I want you to actually click on Show Your Work and circle the answer that you found when you're working in your paper pencil notebook. So then when I'm grading it, I'm looking for this circled work, and then if I want to, I can have you submit the work from your paper pencil notebook as well. So just make sure that you're circling the letter choice at the end when you're finished with your work.